Tonight is February 17 at 10:45 p.m. We are on a road coming home, and we found these puppies in the middle of the road, and they have a lot of skin issue, so I decided to take them home. Now they are so very thirsty. We saw them earlier this morning around 9 o'clock. Then we got home. Yeah? Adopt them. So we saw them earlier. And now it's already 10:45 p.m. and they're still in the middle of the road. We have a skin problem. So tomorrow I will give them back. And I'm gonna adopt them. Need more water. Can you bring the garden here? What are you doing there, Saki? Yeah, we're gonna get all that Lego tomorrow. All the pieces. I need to save all the pieces tomorrow.
Okay.
Open the garden. Okay, come on. Pour some. Be careful.
Just put it on the ground.
Oh, hold on. Enough. One more.
Tita, yung curtain po, dinala ko na rin po.
Bakit?
Di ba sa inyo po ba yun? Hindi
Yeah.
po ba?
I don't know which one.
Yung, ito rin pong flower, dinala ko na rin po.
Kaya rin na dun.
Diyan, hawakan mo. Jack,
Thank you.
help Jackie.
Sak help mo na kuya. Oh.
Kasi open ko yung door. Faster.
Help, come on. I can't really understand why they are so heartless. You put them in the middle of the road. You get run over, get killed.
May pangalan na po yan, tita.
Meron na.
Sunday hanggang Saturday.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we can do that.
Pasok na po, tita.
But we have to need to remember the color. Who's Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday. That's a good idea. We don't have to be thinking so hard what we gonna name them.
I don't know.
Saki, come on, take it there now. Come on. Oh, come on na. Okay, bye for now. See you in the morning, puppies. You're gonna have a good bath in the morning. Babu.